Gather up the holly and the finest ale around. Old Toby's back in season now that Christmas came to town. The hobbit in his hobbit hole is putting up the tree. There won't be time for dishes, but there's always time for tea. It said the lonely mountains got caverns full of gold, but we don't need adventures when we got the tales of old. The dragon's fast asleep, I hear he's now been long retired, but if you wake him up we won't need help to start a fire. Oh, it's Christmas in the Shire. Oh, it's Christmas in the Shire. Oh, it's Christmas in the Shire tonight. Get ready for some fireworks you've never seen before, and don't act so surprised when there's a wizard at your door. He'll help us hang the stockings and the mistletoe above, because for every hobbit there's no greater gift than love. Oh, it's Christmas in the Shire. Oh, it's Christmas in the Shire. Oh, it's Christmas in the Shire tonight. If you're from Buckland or from Bree, you can celebrate with me, and the drinks are all for free while we say